Hi everybody. Today I want to talk to you about divider tabs. So making the transition to ring bound planner, that was the one thing I was most concerned about because I really like tabs. I think they're pretty. I mean, they make everything easy to access. I don't know why. It's just one of those things that I really like. So tabs are super easy, and I mean, obviously you can have them or not have them. When I open my shop, I will have, I believe, 3 designs available. I'll have multicolored tabs that'll match the multicolored monthly planner. And then I'll have white tabs with black writing, and I'll have black tabs with white writing. And then in the future, I'll be adding more and more designs. But I want to talk to you about how absolutely easy it is to make your own tab. Now, again, I am not crafty. So, well, I should back that up. I'd like to think I'm crafty, but if things don't look like really good, then I'm kind of, I don't do it. This looks really good, okay? So I'm going to show you what to do. So I highly recommend to print them on a nice cardstock. I use a cover stock. It's 110 pound. I just pick it up at Staples. You get 500 sheets, I believe, for like 12 bucks. You're going to print it out, and I have outlined where to cut, and I've included extra space, for bleed. You'll cut it out. It'll look like this. Then, because you want it to last a long time, you want it, hopefully, if you do this, it should last like a couple years at least, because, you're putting it on a really nice thick cardstock, and then you're going to take a little packing tape, okay? You're just going to take a little bit off, put it over, I already did one. You're going to put it over the tab like that, then fold it over, okay? So it's going to look like that. Sorry, I'm not doing a very good job. It's kind of hard to do this and be on camera. Anyway, you'll fold it over and you'll press the edges together really nice. Then so it'll look like that. You'll just trim it, and honestly, it looks just beautiful. It looks just like a mylar coated tab, and it's super sturdy. Now, if you don't want to print out, these giant sheets, I'm also offering mini tabs, and it will look like this. So this way, what you'll do is you'll just print and cut out each one of these, and it's really quite easy. Then when you're done, you're gonna get, oh, hello. This is my dog, Jack. He apparently wants to go outside. No, you're gonna get these little tabs. You'll just fold them over, and then you can put them in your planner anywhere you'd like. You can put them on top tabs. You can put them on side tabs. I think this is probably a great way to go if you want notes or lists or address pages, or you can do whatever you want with these, because I'll also be selling these in blank. So what you'll do is you'll just take this and put it anywhere you want on your page. You can secure it with a little, glue or tape, and then just use the packing tape again and fold it over and cut it, and that way you can really truly customize how you want your tabs. I mean, maybe you only want one tab. You could even, if you wanted to, make a bookmark, if you're super crafty, and do something like that. Use the little tab to stick out at the top of your page. For those that are really into, DIY, I have a Silhouette Cameo cutting machine, and I will be selling these files. I'll be selling this without the line. I'll be selling them just a sheet, and then along with that will be the SVG cut files. So that way, if you don't want to use a scissor and you're super handy and DIY type of a person, you can just print them out and then cut them with the Cameo. And that's actually how I've done it both ways. Either way, it works great, however you choose to do it. But I just want to let you know that that is going to be another option. So if you do choose to buy divider tabs, when you download the file, there's going to be two files. There's going to be one file with the cut line like that, and then there's going to be one file without the cut line for people that would like to use their Cameo and Cricut. Is it Cricut or Cricut? I don't even know. So yeah, so those are divider tabs. So I hope you enjoy my little tutorial on how to print them out, and have a great day. Bye.